guys. Huku imejaa. Hizi already zishajaza, but so let me just put it there because I know it's not the best place to put it. It should be put on this, in this area, the most freezing part, but right now I have to put it here because as you can see, yeah. So next is my juice. Baby's yogurt. This juice, I don't know if it will fit here. I don't know, I'm not sure. So I think I'll just put it aside for the juice. Let me put it aside. My food. Is there anything else? Or maybe this, no, it cannot fit. Yeah, so guys, for now, that is how I've restocked my fridge. Yes, so that is how my fridge looks like. And these are my fruits. Hello, mommy. Hello. Stop it, mommy. Stop that. Stop that. Stop. Stop that. That is a no. And yeah, that is how I've restocked my fridge for now, guys. So see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.